Good morning. I'm so excited for this vlog because I am going to be packing for New York. I already did my little morning routine. It's Sunday, so I slept in, did my little devotional and read and journaled, had my coffee, and now we're gonna go work out. I got this Lululemon top at Goodwill. Last time I went to Indiana. Goodwills there are always freaking bussin'. Bowl with cheese, vegan cheese, tofu, quinoa, kale, avocado. I'm just gonna sit here, enjoy my lunch, and scroll through my Pinterest and start getting some ideas for packing. Weather is going to be slightly unpredictable while I'm there, so I'm gonna write down my itinerary so that I can get an idea of what to wear every day.
You're gonna be babysat next weekend. Your babysitter's gonna be here.
Yeah. Okay, I think we're ready. I'm so excited to start doing this. I'm not gonna get my suitcase out because it will sit right next to my bed and I'll trip over it all week when I am getting up in the middle of the night to go pee. I've done that, so I'm just gonna start laying it all out on my bed and listen to some music, and yeah, I will show you guys the outfits that I think I want to wear. So. Are you kidding me? I'm so excited to wear these. Louis or Valentino? Louis for sure is winter. It is a few days later, clearly. However, I think I've finished packing besides my pajamas and I take that back. I've finished my outfit besides my pajamas and my like socks and bras and underwear and stuff like that. And so I'm gonna put all of this stuff in my suitcase and then pack the rest of my stuff. It's Wednesday, we're leaving Friday, so tomorrow's my last day to kind of get my stuff together. I got my nails done. Hey! Crazy! I am ratchet. I just started my period. My skin is breaking out so bad. I'm pale, I'm dying, but I'm gonna be in New York this weekend, so. Bit me. I love you. All I have left now is my toiletries and skate stuff, which I am washing my knee pads right now because they stink. And then I just like some little electronic things, and tomorrow is my last day, like last full day here, so we will finalize everything. I swear every time I try to like do something today, he's like behind me being weird. I'm so excited. I gotta get my life together. So excited. So, going to pack my toiletries. I always use my YSL makeup bags. They're just so cute. Perfect. I got some face masks for every day. I think I'm going to bring my Rhode skincare. This stuff. These, my roller, and all my makeup. Honestly, I just take this Morphe bag and I just put all my brushes in it. I don't have time to organize which one I want to take and which one I don't. Like, I could possibly use all of these, and I would rather not forget one and have too many. Then I really have to think about like my whole process, and that's how I pack my makeup. Today is the day. Start spreading the news. I washed my hair, thank God. The world is applauding me. Got my makeup done. About ready to go, just waiting on my bedding to come out of the wash. And then we are leaving, and I'm all packed. So excited. We're leaving here in probably like 15 minutes. All packed up, ready to go. Spike's not happy. His babysitter will be here later. But yeah. If you guys enjoyed this silly little vlog, and I'm literally starting the next vlog right after this, and it's our travel to New York City. Bye.